that in the dust of ancient Rome and Greece men of wisdom carved timeless truths into history not for fortune or fame, but to endure suffering, overcome fear, and live with honor. These were the Stoics. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor who ruled the known world yet still wrote to himself every day to remain humble. Seneca, one of the richest men in Rome, who taught that luxury was nothing without virtue. Epictetus, born a slave, who taught that true freedom comes from self-mastery. These men didn't theorize, they lived through war, exile, poverty, power, and loss. And what they discovered is more relevant today than ever before. These are the 2,000-year-old Stoic rules for life, ancient, eternal, and unbreakable. Rule 1. Control what you can. Accept what you cannot. Master yourself. The Stoics began every lesson with this foundational truth. You don't control the world. You control your mind. The weather, the economy, what people think or say, those are external. But your thoughts, choices, and perspective, those are yours. Epictetus said, "We suffer not from events, but from our judgment about them." When someone insults you, you decide whether it wounds you. When plans fall apart, you decide whether to collapse or adapt. Power begins the moment you stop blaming the world and start owning your response. Rule 2. Remember death. Memento mori. The Stoics meditated on death not out of fear, but to sharpen their focus on life. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think." In a world of endless scrolling, distractions, and wasted days, memento mori is your wake-up call. It reminds you are mortal. Time is your most valuable currency, so why waste it on resentment, fear, procrastination, or vanity? Use death as a mirror not to fear the end, but to begin truly living. Rule 3. Live according to nature, your higher nature. To the Stoics, living according to nature meant living in alignment with reason, virtue, and your true purpose. You are not a creature of impulse. You are a being of thought, spirit, and will. When you rise above emotion, pleasure-seeking, and ego-driven ambition, you find something deeper, your true path. Seneca said, "A man who has learned to live in accordance with nature will never be poor." Nature doesn't waste time, doesn't rush, and never lies. Let it guide your life with discipline, clarity, and harmony. Rule 4. Embrace voluntary discomfort. Harden the mind. Seneca would sleep on the ground, eat coarse bread, and wear simple clothes even though he was wealthy. Why? Because practicing discomfort prepared him for real adversity. When you train your body and mind to endure hardship,